Hi, beautiful people. My name is Betty. Thank you for clicking this video. It's my first video on YouTube, and I hope you enjoy it. So, as the title suggests, I will be showing my makeup toolbox. So, my husband bought me this because all these things in a drawer is too much. So, I'll just show you a number of things that I have that I make for my daily makeup. Okay, so I have my foundations, my concealer. I am number 356 warm coconut, and then I have my brushes. Then I have so many lipsticks. I bought this. We've been battling about this color with my mom. Okay, so I really love this one and this pink Barbie. Okay, and then there's this kind of look alike. Then I love my nudes. Using Zadbua Mia. Okay, and then I have an array of brushes, all type, but we only use one in particular. So this is my brow, and then I apply this for my eyeshadow, and this is for my, I think I'll show you this. Yeah, this is for my outer eye corner, and then I use this for my brows. I also use this sometimes for my concealer. So many, man. Okay, I also apply this makeup with my foundation. Okay, now let's move to powder. So I don't have the one compact powder. I love this. Okay, I love this because I use this for my whole face. I use this to conceal, and then I use this mostly for my contour, bronze, porero. And then this is my oldest palette. I have used this most of the times for events that require black and gold. Yeah, that feel, yeah, I love this. And then I bought this some while ago. I didn't like the application of the glitters. I don't know, I'll show you, but I use this and this for blush. Okay, then one of my oldest, this was a maroon color for transition. I used it. And this is my second favorite palette. I love the browns. The browns are really good looking. And then this is my most expensive. Nilichanga nikanunua when I was in uni. Yeah, so I use this for highlight. It really looks nice, as well as this. Most of them I've not used, but it's really nice colors. Okay, and then I have my pomade, brown pomade. I use this for my brows. I'm not a Davis babe. And then I use this for my liner. This is a black pomade. Yeah, then obviously I have scissors for lashes. And then what else? I have my beauty sponges. Yeah. Okay, so that's it in my toolbox. I think a number of things also in my hand. Okay, and this is my purse. I carry this around so I won't miss a liner and mascara. And then I have this. This is a gem. This is a gem. Just look at that. So cute. I love this as well so much. And then I have this nice looking lippy. Yeah, so that's all that is in my bag, my work bag. That is with regards to makeup. Yeah, so now that you've seen my toolbox, I definitely know you'll want to see how my makeup looks like. So I'll do a video with my makeup, and there will be a tutorial why my hair looks like this. I'll give you one. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye, love.